Hey guys, I'm Billy Azar here with Pool Town. I've been here since 1995, have over 19 years of experience. Started here at Pool Town as a service technician, ran a retail store for a little while, and since 1999 I've been selling in-ground swimming pools. Let me tell you a little bit about a standard in-ground swimming pool and the Pool Town difference, IBEX. So first off, let me tell you a little bit about how a standard in-ground pool is built. We use a G235 galvanized steel wall. Galvanized steel is zinc and copper coated steel. The zinc and the copper prevent the steel from rusting. We use an A-frame bracing that drops down and locks into our concrete collar. Now some pool builders will tell you they do something a little bit better or a little bit different, and they use deck support braces. And all that is a standard brace that starts off at the top, comes down and makes a V. And the idea behind it is supposed to support the weight of concrete. Some pool builders will say we do even something better, where we're using a standard A-frame bracing with deck supports, and they'll actually use a 3-inch or 4-inch PVC pier, fill that with concrete, so that helps support our weight of our concrete patio. Once our bracing's in place and we pour our concrete collar, we put our floor of the pool in. The floor is normally made out of vermiculite mixed with cement. Vermiculite is the white specks you see on potting soil. It's organic. As it gets older, it tends to break down. Vermiculite is kind of soft. If you've ever been in a vermiculite floored pool, you'll notice that it kind of gives a little bit. Once the vermiculite floor is in, we put wall foam over the walls. The wall foam acts as an insulator between the wall and the liner. Some pool builders will tell you that's a good thing because it's nice and soft and comfortable. The drawback to it is, or the real reason we use it is because, let's face it, our wall is going to calcify and rust in so many years. And we don't want that rust or calcification pushing through the liner, causing problems. Once the wall foam's on, we drop our liner in. Our liner is normally a 20 mil liner. That's the thickness of the liner. The higher that number is, the thicker the liner is going to be. Once our liner's in, we fill the pool with water halfway, we backfill halfway. We fill the pool the rest of the way, we backfill the rest of the way, and then we allow the ground to settle for between 4 to 6 weeks, and our patio gets poured right on top of that. And that's how we build a standard in-ground swimming pool. Let me tell you a little bit about IBEX, one of the strongest in-ground pools in the industry. The first big advantage we have is we have an increased flange, which gives our pool more strength. Our braces are 4 times stronger than a standard brace, and everywhere you see one of these, we put a deck support brace, which is 3 times wider than a standard deck support brace. Our concrete collar is increased, so we can enclose all our plumbing to prevent it from shifting and moving. And everywhere you don't see one of these deck support braces, we put a 6-inch sonotube to help support our concrete patio. Our floor is fiber reinforced sand cement, which is 2 times stronger than vermiculite, and we use a liner that's 40% thicker than a standard liner. All of that is what gives Pool Town's IBEX one of the longest warranties in the pool industry.